Good morning all. Week 8, our lesson is Incremental Analysis, Chapter 11. You all know the purpose of management accounts is to provide relevant information to make decisions. This Chapter 11, Incremental Analysis, explains management decisions making process and decision making approach called Incremental Analysis. Then, this chapter have two learning objectives. One is describe management's decision-making process. The second one is the concept of incremental analysis. First, we are discussing about the management decision-making process. The process does not always follow same pattern. It's vary with their scope, urgency, and the importance. There are some steps can be identified in the management decision making process. The first one is identify the problems and assign responsibility. Second one, determine and evaluate possible causes of action. The third one, make a decision. The fourth one, reviewing result of the decision. Throughout this process, accountants contribute step 2 and 4 to evaluate possible causes of action and reviewing results. In step 2, each possible causes of action relevant to the revenue and the cost data are provided and it will show the expected overall effect on net income. In the step 4, the accountants prepare internal reports to review the actual impact of the decision. To make business decision, management consider both financial and non-financial informations. The financial information is about revenues, cost, and their effect on the company overall profitability. Non-financial information such as the effect of the decisions on the employee turnover, the environment, and the company overall image in the community. Incremental analysis approach. This approach involving decisions which need a choice among alternative causes of action. Actually, this process used to identify the financial expenses that change under alternative causes in action. Also, this approach called differential analysis because the analysis focuses on differences. In some cases, when you use incremental analysis, you will find both cost and revenue will vary. In other cases, only cost or revenue will change. The decision tool of incremental analysis is it helps managers to choose alternatives that maximize net income process. There are three key concepts of the incremental analysis: relevant cost, opportunity cost, and the sunk cost. Relevant cost. The incremental analysis only consider two types of factors. The first one, the cost and revenue that are different for each alternative. Another one is the cost and revenue that will occur in the future. If cost and revenue do not differ across alternative or will not change in future, can be ignored. Opportunity cost is the potential benefit that may be lost from following a given course of action. The sunk cost. Sunk cost is the cost that has already been incurred. It will not be changed or avoided by any future decision. It is not relevant to cost. In this approach, we do not consider time value of the money. Also focus on quantitative factors that affect the decisions. And the other one is the used activity-based costing because it is the relevant and most approachable one. Several types of incremental analysis decisions are involved in the incremental analysis. The first one, accept an order at a special price, make or buy component parts or finished products, sell products or process them further, the retain or replace equipment, eliminate or retain an unprofitable business segments, and allocate limited resources. In Do It One question, Owen T corporations option 2 is being compared with option 1. In the further slides, it will be explained step by step. Option 1, the company currently follow option 1 with revenues of $80,000 per year, maintenance expenses of $5,000 per year and operating expenses $38,000 per year. The revenue $80,000, the maintenance expenses $5,000 and operating expenses $38,000. In option 1, there are another costs are available. The option 1 employs a piece of equipment that was upgraded 2 years ago at a cost of $22,000. It explains option 1, $22,000 equipment upgraded gun 2 years. So, the cost of past equipment upgrade will be included $22,000. In option 2 is chosen, it will free up resources that will increase revenue by $3,000. That will be a opportunity cost and it is included in option 1 as opportunity cost $3,000. In alternative option 2, it is the option 2 provide revenue of $80,000 per year, maintenance expenses $12,000 per year and operating expenses $32,000 per year. To fill in the table, the revenue it's 80,000 is the same as the option 1. The maintenance expenses is $12,000 per year and the operating expenses $32,000. When we come to the cost of past equipment upgrade, it do not have included cost of past equipment upgraded and the opportunity cost also not included. In the net income column shows the difference between the alternatives. In this case, incremental revenue will be 0 because the revenue is not varied in both alternatives. The maintenance expenses show $7,000 increase under option 2 than under option 1. However, it will be realized as $6,000 incremental operating expenses saving under option 2. Actually, past costs that cannot be changed as a result of any present or further action. So, cost of past equipment upgrade is sunk cost and it is not relevant. The benefits lost by choosing one option over another are opportunity cost and it is relevant. So, in option 2 will increase revenue by $3,000. This option 2 will provide $2,000 more net income than option 1. So, decision tool is choose the alternative that maximizes the net income. The decision is O1T Corporation can be chosen option 2. It will be more profitable than option 2. And also the cost of past equipment upgrade is the sunk cost. It is identified as the capital S here. This is the two decisions. Go through the do it one. The option 2 will be a more profitable and the cost of past equipment upgrade is sunk cost. This is my explanation for the incremental analysis do it one question. Hope it will give an idea about sunk cost, opportunity cost. If you have any feedback, rectifications, you can inform me via discussion forum. Thank you.